Until now, hindi ko pa rin ma-fully absorb na, you know, yung mga pangarap noon na sobrang hard to reach, na it would come at the most unexpected time. Tsaka, at the, as in, hindi ko expect to be so soon. Kaya, unang-una, I wanna say thank you kay God for sa lahat ng mga napagdaanan na through all the hardship. Ay, grabe. Kung, it was a very rough journey para sa akin. It had a lot of ups and downs. Parang yung market, di ba? The market that doesn't just go up in one direction. Sooner or later, it will come crashing down. I had a lot of those moments. And, through all of that, somehow, parang, I didn't choose to give up even though na, ayan na, parang, pwede ka nang mag-give up, parang, like giving up will be the best choice kasi parang sawang-sawa ka na sa hirap, sa pain, sa disappointment. Ang dami kasi nangyari eh. I'm gonna be sharing my journey dito sa iPro, and I'm very thankful kay iPro for giving me an opportunity to share my story sa lahat na nangyari. That led to this opportunity. Kaya, yung mga susunod na content na ilalagay namin, iPro gave me a spot para, I guess, ma-share ko yung naging journey ko mula from the very beginning until now. And syempre, i-share ko din yung mga, kasi yung pagiging isang junior trader or, on the job training na traders bilang sa isang, very well-respected na hedge fund. It's a whole different world from the usual personal trading life sa mga typical kwentuhan sa trading. It's dun mo talaga malalaman na not everything is publicized. Meaning, hindi nila talaga sasabihin sa public kung ano yung mga ginagawa nila. Kaya, sa mga na-attendan kong meeting lately, I won't be able to share yung kung ano yung mga strategy na ginagamit namin or yung mga pero one thing I can tell you is yung ano mga ginagawa namin. Ano yung difference ng isang junior trader sa isang hedge fund versus sa regular personal trader na nagtitrade para lang sa sarili. Okay? Yan ang isi-share ko sa inyo. Kasi there's so many things na na-realize ko na dang, like, ganun pala. Parang, kaya, hindi ko kaya i-boost lahat sa video dito. Kasi it's gonna take, there's a lot to tell, especially yung mga naging journey ko. All I can say is, I'm not a perfect trader. I'm not a perfect person. Pero, one thing I can say is, I'm a person na may pangarap, na no matter how tough things get, I'm not gonna give up. Kasi ang dami ko ng pinagdaanan in life para ako mag-give up now. Kaya, I would like to share that with everyone kasi I think everyone has a shot on having this kind of opportunity one day, lalo na kung part kayo ng iPro community. Kaya, stick with us for more. Okay? Try kong i-minimize yung mga, kasi I have a lot to tell, as in ang dami. Kaya kita-kits na lang mga ka-iPro. Okay?